Good evening. My son, Limito Alfonso, came home, then he go up. He just ate 2 pieces of bread. You see? The bread I bought, you see, he ate already. Okay, this is latest little groceries from Fair Price, Yung Baru Plaza, okay? The bread is from Kofo, Dawson. And I buy a napkin, a daily napkin from British Essential in Dawson. This one from Tiumbaru Plaza at the Fair Price. Okay, latest grocery. May 3, 2026. There's Lisin for the retirement. We have some chicken here. Okay. Yes, some pizza for my son anytime he wants. Okay. Pizza for him. Pork, ham, and some dumpling. Okay. Apple, vegetable. Okay. Um, and eggs and some langchong and some ginger tea, yeah, and the bread. Okay. The latest at home, latest little grocery at home Blackford, the World Cup Singapore. Is $58 something. Okay. Yeah, now these things are expensive. Let's listen to the retired man. Enjoy, folks, at home Blackford, the World Cup Singapore. Our little latest groceries. May 3, 2026. Okay? May 3, 2026. Okay? Just now we go after church. We go church after church. We go to Dawson. Okay? Nabilisin po from there. Give me 300. And then we go to Tiumbaru Plaza. Deposit. Okay? Because that's my branch. Okay? Deposit to Tiumbaru Plaza POSB. Okay? Deposit 250, yes, but he gave me 300. Yeah. Okay, enjoy, folks. Itong black for the roof of Singapore, so I have a little balance. Okay, yes, yeah. Enjoy, folks. Latest little groceries. Okay, enjoy Singapore.